What is cloud computing and why is it important? Introduction. One of the most recent solutions to have emerged is cloud computing. Yet, despite its prominence, not everyone is aware of the term or its benefits. This article will provide a comprehensive understanding of what cloud computing is, and why it has become increasingly important in the business world. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is simply defined as the provision of computing services such as storage, servers, databases, software, analytics, among others, all through the Internet. In simpler terms, it is the storage of data and programs on remote servers that can be accessed from any device with Internet connectivity. It is the opposite of storing data on a hard drive or local server, which employs a physical storage device installed on premises. There are three distinct cloud computing models, namely: 1. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Businesses can rent the infrastructure from providers and have complete control over customization, configuration, and security. 2. Platform as a service, PaaS. PaaS is an abstraction layer over the IaaS model, which offers a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications without the need for server maintenance and management. The provider offers the complete software stack for running applications. 3. Software as a service, SaaS. SaaS is the most popular cloud computing model that delivers software applications to customers over the Internet. Users only need a web browser or app to access the application, and the provider takes care of everything else, including hosting, maintenance, and upgrades. Why is cloud computing important? 1. Flexibility and scalability. Cloud computing allows companies to scale up or down computing resources instantaneously as business demands fluctuate. Companies don't need to invest in expensive hardware upfront when they can rent it on a pay-per-use model. 2. Lower costs. As previously mentioned, cloud computing eliminates the need for huge upfront investments in hardware and maintenance costs. Companies can avoid the cost of maintenance, cooling systems, and electricity. The only expenses incurred are the subscription fees for cloud services. 3. Security. Cloud computing providers thoroughly secure their infrastructure, offering protection against data loss and breaches. Providers run multiple copies of the client's data on multiple servers, thereby ensuring continuity of operations and data integrity. 4. Disaster recovery and business continuity. The redundancy and uptime of cloud services provide businesses with the ability to recover quickly in case of disaster or unexpected incidents. If a company's on-premises data center is destroyed by a disaster, it could lose data and even go out of business. But with cloud computing, data is stored in remote locations, so there is no risk of data loss. 5. Accessibility and collaboration. Cloud computing enables users to access their data from any location globally with an internet connection. This feature significantly enhances collaborations among employees because users have access to a unified data storage platform. 6. Regular upgrades and backups. Cloud service providers release regular updates and backups to their applications, ensuring that users always have the latest versions available. This eliminates the need for employees to maintain physical hardware and software, enabling them to focus on core business activities. 7. Streamlined record keeping. Record keeping is a critical aspect of any business. Cloud computing provides companies with automated and streamlined record keeping options, reducing paper usage and simplifying the process of return. Saving records. Challenges of cloud computing. Cloud computing also comes with a few challenges, despite its numerous benefits. 1. Security and compliance. Because data resides in remote locations, it's exposed to a higher risk of data loss, hacking, and cyber attacks. Cloud service providers are attempting to regulate and enforce security standards to ensure customer data is safeguarded, but there is still a long way to go when it comes to compliance. 2. Technical issues. Cloud computing relies heavily on internet connectivity, and any disruption can lead to service outages. Downtimes can be significant problems, especially for companies that rely heavily on cloud SARE. Vices. 3. Vendor lock-in. Most companies might find it challenging to switch providers because of the complicated nature of cloud computing. This is commonly referred to as vendor lock-in, whereby companies are stuck using one provider because switching to another can be a costly and time-consuming process. 4. Cost. Cloud computing services come at a cost, and if computing requirements exceed the allowance allotted in subscription fees, the cost of additional usage can become significant. As the world continues to evolve technologically, the benefits of cloud computing are becoming more apparent. Companies are continuously seeking ways to manage their data storage in a more efficient and cost-effective way, and cloud computing provides a solution to this problem. Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services such as storage, servers, databases, software, analytics, and more, all through the Internet. This method of data storage is the opposite site of storing data on a physical storage device installed on premises. Cloud computing takes advantage of the power of the Internet by providing a wide range of computing capabilities that can scale up or down dynamically according to the business needs. The three distinct cloud computing models are Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. Each of these models offers varying degrees of flexibility and control. Cloud computing is essential for businesses for several reasons. Firstly, it offers scalability and flexibility, allowing companies to scale up or down their computing resources instantaneously as BOO.